of you are fine and doing well. You have seen many recipes in my YouTube channel, but this is also a recipe video only. There is something different in this recipe. I will show you how to make 3-minute chocolate cake in microwave. So the ingredients are cocoa powder, milk, vanilla essence, oil, flour, sugar, baking powder. So now let's mix all the dry ingredients in this bowl. So now I will add in this bowl this oil, vanilla essence and this milk. Our smooth batter is ready, so now let's pour this batter into this microwave safe bowl. So now our cake is ready! Yay! See, it is very spongy. The time limit will depend on your microwave system and the amount of ingredients you are taking. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video and comment also. And give me lots of love. Bye bye everyone.